distance here just to the left of center for Saturday. Jamie Whitman, something to prove.
We got the 2.6 diesel trucks, the 3-inch diesel trucks, the 3.6, the super stocks. If you're there to watch any spark plug pulling, you're in the wrong spot.
If you like diesel truck competition, drag racing and sled pulling, it's the place to be. The last weekend of August at Lyons, Indiana, Wagner Motorsports Park, Chinese Extravaganza. Kent Crowder, bringing the RPMs up. He's not used to driving. He needs to sort out a little bit to be expected, not anything against too quick or his abilities. Just part of the learning curve. Looking for a good run right here. Kent Crowder still holding the lead, 3:01 and a 70. Wow, it turned sick on him real fast. Flange of the high-pressure turbocharger, it was loose, so they were not getting all the boost that they ought to. They corrected that and are ready to rip here tonight. Power plant. Rechargers, 2 pressure stages. Had a little bit of a rough ride out here last night. Finished 9th out of 10. All 10 competitors returning night 2 at the Boys Championship presented by Prescription Fluids Technology.
that helps me here. I just got a lot of people that say Salvador Performance, Apex Turbo. There's a lot of people behind me.
Who are you?
Jesse.
Who are you? Angie, who are you?
Thompson.
Figured out, so I got that figured out. So, all good. Just super glad. What a weekend. You picked the right night to win. You got the extra $500 last night from the roof agency. So you're guaranteed at least $5 grand. We have a nice crowd. If the live stream goes good, it could be even more. So, again, awesome trophy from Precision.